Namaste students, I welcome you all in my Anupama classes through YouTube channel. Students, today we will read Demographic Condition from the first chapter Indian Economy on the Eve of Independence. What do you mean by demographic? Demographic is the study of population based on age, sex or race. Our first official census was conducted in year 1881. Though it suffered with lot of limitations and it also revealed unevenness in India's population growth. And then it was decided that after every 10 years, we will be conducting our census. 1921, Year of Great Divine. 1921 is known as the Year of Great Divine. Why? Because before 1921, India was in its first demographic transition. India, or the second stage of India's demographic transition, began after 1921. So this is called Year of Great Divine. What is this demographic transition? First is pre-industrial stage. What is pre-industrial stage? Pre-industrial stage is a stage where the birth rate is very high and the death rate is also very high. Birth rate is high. Why? Because it can be due to lack of family planning, can be lack of knowledge about the knowledge or literacy rate or awareness for education. Death rate was high due to lack of medical facilities, or it can be due to lack of or insufficient diet. Second stage is the transition stage that took place after 1921. The transition stage is a stage where the birth rate is high and the death rate started falling because people came to know about people were aware about the medical facilities. The third stage is the industrial stage. Industrial stage means people moving from agriculture sector to industrial sector. And in this industrial stage, birth rate was low, and the death rate was also low. Finally, the last stage, that is the post-industrial stage, where the birth rate is low and the death rate is also low. This is because advancement in the medical facilities. Now, the next is high birth rate and death rate. During the British period or on the eve of independence, the birth rate and the and the death rate both were high. Now, what is birth rate? Birth rate is number of children born per thousand in an year. What is death rate? Death rate is number of people dying per thousand in an year. So, of course, both were high. 48 was the birth rate per thousand and death rate was 40 per thousand. Extremely low literacy. Literacy rate was very low. It was less than 16% and female literacy was less than 7%. Poor health facility. Poor health facility. Medical health facility was not available to large masses, and even if it was available, it was inadequate. And due to this, waterborne disease and airborne disease spread throughout the country. High infant mortality rate. What is infant mortality rate? It means number of children dying before the age of 1 per thousand in an year. It was 218 per thousand children died in an year before reaching the age of 1 as compared to 44 in 2011. Low life expectancy. It is an average number of years a person is expected to live. It was 32 years earlier as compared to 65.5 years in year 2011. Widespread poverty due to lack of medical facilities. The living standard of people were not good. Airborne disease and waterborne disease spread throughout the country. So we can say there was a widespread of poverty at the time of or on the eve of independence. So student, we have finished the demographic condition. In the next class, we shall start with the next topic. So if you like my video, please like it, share it, comment it. For meanwhile, thank you students.